वेलकम टू जेनिथ कोचिंग क्लास। जेनिथ कोचिंग क्लास में आप लोगों का स्वागत है। सो चिल्ड्रन, हाउ आर यू? यू आर फाइन। आई एम ऑल्सो फाइन। तो आज का क्लास शुरू किया जाए। ये है क्लास 9 का चैप्टर फैक्टराइजेशन। प्रीवियस क्लास में मैं ये सिखाई थी। आज है कंक्लूडिंग पार्ट। ओके, सो पहले जो सिखाई थी 15 या 16 सम्स, नो आई थिंक दैट 20 सम्स। ओके, so now is the continuation of it. So please concentrate in your class. So please like my video and share to your friends and subscribe my channel and please comment me through your comment box. Okay, कि मुझे पता तो चले आप लोग को क्या प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है, तो मैं अच्छी तरह से नेक्स्ट क्लास में सिखा सकती हूँ. Okay, so please comment me and like my video. Okay, next, that is the first sum is you have to factorize. That the first sum is a square minus b square multiplied by c square minus d square minus 4abcd. So you have to factorize. तो कैसे किया जाए? First, I am not copying the sum repeatedly. I am telling you, you have to copy the sum first. Then you will solve the question. Okay. I am not writing the question. I am so lazy. No. Okay. So a square minus b square multiplied by c square minus d square. So multiply first. That is a square c square minus a square d square minus b square c square plus b square d square minus 4abcd. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 digits. How is it possible to factorize? Possible, children. Let's see. Here is a square c square and here is a square d square. So a is common. Don't take it. So you take a square c square minus plus b square d square. Okay. So you write a square c square plus b square d square. Why I write it? Just look at the question. It is minus 4abcd. You will write minus 2abcd. Okay. And put it in the bracket. Okay, now take it minus here because minus a square d square. So a square d square, it is minus, so you will write it plus because sign will be the same. So here is minus, then take it plus, so plus minus, that is minus. Okay, then b square c square minus 2, no not minus, plus 2abcd. Why it is plus? Because here is minus and here is plus. So plus minus, that is minus. So minus 4abcd, here is minus 2abcd and there is minus 2abcd. So 4abcd complete. Okay. So now what you will write here? ACBD and here is ACBD, all the same. So you can write it AC minus BD whole square. You cannot write because it is A, it is B and it is 2AB. So A square plus B square minus 2AB. So it is A minus B whole square. Now understood the sum? Okay. Then minus. Here is same thing. A square plus B square plus 2AB. So AD plus BC whole square. So now children, you will see that A square minus B square. That is the formula. A square minus B square. So what is the formula? A square minus B square is A plus B. That is AD plus BC. Again you will write A plus B multiplied by A minus B. So here is A, it is. So AC minus BD minus AD minus AD minus BC. Okay? Understood the sum? Because it is A. So A square minus it is B. B square. So A, that is AC minus BD plus B, that is AD plus BC. Then multiplied by A minus B. So A is AC minus BD. So AC minus BD minus, then even interchange the sign, that is minus AD plus here. So minus BC. Understood the sum? So you will come to the next sum. That is question number 2 here. It is 1 here. So 2 is, there is x to the power 4 plus 5x square plus 9. Here is also 3 digits and we have to make it a 4. So you will write here x square plus 6x square plus 9 minus x square. How is it possible? See, x square, x to the power 4, x to the power 4, 9, 9. You have to write 5x square. And I have written 6x square minus x square. That is also 5 plus 5x square, you know. Okay, 6x square minus x square. So 5x square, I have written here is 5x square. Why I am writing it? Let's see. So it is x square square, okay, plus 2 multiplied by x square multiplied by 3. That is 2 3 is a 6x square plus 3 square, 9 is 3 square. Okay, so second bracket close, minus x square. So it is x plus 3 whole square, a plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square. So it is x square plus 3 whole square. So you can write it x square plus 3 whole square minus x square. So what is the formula here? It is a square minus b square. Understood the sum? A square minus b square. So it is a plus b, that is x square plus 3 plus x, and here you will write x square plus 3 minus x. आप थोड़ा सजा के लिखिए. कैसे लिखना है? पहले x लिखना चाहिए, उसके बाद न्यूमेरिकल. That is you have to write x square plus x plus 3 multiplied by x square plus minus x plus 3. Okay, understood the sum? So if is there 5x square plus 9, so first make it a plus b whole square or a minus. If there is minus 5x square, so you will write here, you should write here that is minus 6x square. So that is a minus b whole square or a plus b whole square, and then separately you will write x square again. So a square minus b square. Understood the sum? Okay. Then we will come to the third sum. So please like my video and share to your friends and subscribe my channel, please. And please comment me through your comment box. Every day I tell you, no. I have to tell. Otherwise, it is not possible for you to comment me. Okay. So now it's the third sum. Third sum is x cube minus x square minus xy plus x plus y minus 1. So here are 6 digits. So first take x square common here. So here is x cube and here is x square. So x minus 1. Okay. Here is x is common. So x is common. So y minus 1. But here is x minus 1. So you cannot take it. Okay. So you will take it. That is minus xy plus y. So take it minus xy plus y plus x minus 1. Then x square. So x minus 1 minus y you will take. When you will take minus 1, so it is x minus 1 plus 1 you take it common. Because there is x minus 1 is ready to go. Okay. So here is x minus 1, there is x minus 1 and there is also x minus 1. So take it in common, that is x minus 1. So x minus 1 is common. So what you will write here, that is x square minus y plus 1. Bas, ho gaya sum. So you have to take, that is x minus 1, and here is a twist, that is if you take it, this is this, no, the xy plus x. So sum will be wrong. So you will take it x minus xy plus y. Then the sum will be right. Okay. So please observe the sum. I'll come to the next sum. So come to the next sum. That is, express the following as a difference of two squares. That is x square minus 5x plus 7 multiplied by x square minus 5x minus 7. Okay. Then I will go to the next sum. Okay, that is fourth sum, that is fifth sum, that is sixth sum. Okay. First we will come to the fourth sum. That is, express the following as a difference of 2 square means, that is, you have to write it as a square minus b square. Okay. So here is, you think what is common? X square minus 5x is here. X square minus 5x is here. Difference क्या है ना, ये है +7, ये है -7. So what is x square minus 5x? That is, take it that one bracket. So you have to write here x square minus 5x. Okay, that is square, and minus 7 square. Okay, that is the remainder, because it is a plus b multiplied by a minus b. Okay, here is x square minus 5x a. X square minus 5x is a, and 7 is b. So here is a plus b, that is a plus b multiplied by a minus b. So here is x square minus 5x whole square minus 7 square. So you can write it. No, don't write. That is the difference of 2 squares. You can write it just like this. Okay. So that is the difference of 2 squares. It is the difference is minus 2 square. Square and square. Okay. So put it like this. Now question number 5. Evaluate 979 square minus 21 square. So children, see, that is, you don't have to do 979 square. That is 979 multiplied by 979. 21 multiplied by 21. Don't do this. 970, it is very easy sum. It is a square minus b square. So it is a square minus b square. That means a plus b multiplied by a minus b. I am not writing the question. So that is a plus b multiplied by a minus b. Okay. That is 979 plus 21 means 1000. Multiplied by 979 minus 21, that is 9, 8, 2, that is 5, that is 9. Okay. So 958. 979 minus 21 is 958. So 1000 multiplied by 958, that is, you have to write 958, 1230, 1230. That is the answer. So easy sum. You don't have to do multiply. Okay. So take it in formula, that is a square minus b square. So a plus b multiplied by a minus b. That is 1000 multiplied by 950. So such an easy sum, no? Next, number 6. That is x is greater than 0. X minus 1 by 6. X is 5 by 6. Then you have to find out the value of x square plus 1 by x square. जो आपको लिख दिया है, मतलब ये इसको स्क्वायर करना है. ठीक है. So you have to write x minus 1 by x equals to 5 by 6. You have to write squaring both sides. Squaring both sides. आप लोग क्या करते हैं कि बोथ साइड से स्क्वायरिंग करें. तो स्क्वायर करने से क्या होगा, पहले इरेज कर लेती हूँ. ओके. सो देखते हैं कि स्क्वायरिंग squaring both sides. So x minus 1 by x whole square, x minus 1 by x whole square equals to 5 by 6 square. You know. So what is there? X minus 1 by x whole square, that is a minus b whole square. So a square minus 2x 1 by x plus 1 by x square. So a square minus 2ab plus b square. So cut x is equals to, that is 25 by, don't write like this, 25 by 36. Understood? So x square plus 1 by x square equals to 25 by 36 plus 2. Here is minus 2. So take it there. That is, here is plus 2. Interchange the sign. No, that is minus 2, there it is plus 2. Then you have to solve the sum. That is 36 is LCM here. So here is 25 plus 72. Okay. So 25 plus 72, that is here is 36. 2 plus 5, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. Understood? Then 36 3s are 1. 36 2s are 72. Okay. So it is 2 whole 25 by 36. Understood the sum? Tough sum? Not so tough sum. So observe the sum. I'll put the next sum. Okay. So children, now we are coming to question number 7. That is x square plus y square plus 7y minus 18. It's a middle term factor. Middle term factor means that is you have to take this one and this one. You have to solve middle term, that is 7y. How is it possible? So question number 7 equals to, you have to factorize 18, and that is 18 means 1 multiplied by 18, 2 multiplied by 9. Okay, and if I take 9 minus 2, that is 7. So here is 7. So factorize first the third term, that is 18. So factorizing the third term 18, and here is no coefficient. Here is coefficient is 1. If there is coefficient no, so you have to multiply the coefficient of first term and the third term. Okay, but here is nothing coefficient except 1. So take it 18 here. So 18 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 18, that's 18. So 18 plus 1 is 19. Here is not 19. 18 minus 1 is 17. Is no 17. But 2 9s are 18. So 9 minus 2 is 7. So we will take the second one. And 18 is equals to 3 multiplied by 6. So 3 plus 6 is 9. And 6 minus 3 is 3. So don't take it. Take it 9 minus 2, 7. That is called middle term factor. Okay. So you will write y square. Here is plus sign. So plus 9y minus 2y minus 18. Okay. If there is minus sign here, so you should take minus 9y plus 2y. Then that was minus 7. Y is common here. Then take 2 it, and then next take 2. So y is common, so y plus 9 minus 2 is common. So that is y plus 9. Because minus is common, so plus minus, that is minus. Okay, always very cautious about the sign. Otherwise marks will be deducted because sum will be wrong. So here is y plus 9. There is also y plus 9. So take y plus 9 as common. So y plus 9 as common. So here is y here, right here, minus 2 right here. Okay, this is the sum called middle term factor. Now this is question number 8. So question number 8 is here. That is 6x square plus 13x minus 5. So you take it the coefficient of first term and the constant term. Fine. So 6 5s are 30. But you have to solve out 13x. First you have to write 6x square. Last you have to write minus 5. In the middle you will write 13x. So 6 5s are 30. And if I take 10 3s are 30. So plus 10 plus 3, that is plus 13. So we will take this, that is plus 10x plus 3x. Okay. There is a problem that I will tell you. First, let me take this sum. That is 10 3s are 30. 10 3s are 30 and 10 plus 3 is 13. So I will take here 2x is common. 2x is common. Here is 2, here is 2, here is x, here is x. So here is 3x plus 5. Okay. Now there is nothing common in it. 3x minus 5. So this sum is wrong. So what to do? What to do? I have to erase it. Okay. I have to think about another factor. So 10 3s are 30. That you can write. 15 2s are 30. That you can write it also. So you have to write it, that is plus 13. So plus 15x minus 2x, 15 2s are 30 and 15 minus 2 is also 13. So you can take the option. Okay. Now 3x is common. So 2x plus 5. Okay. Minus 1 is common. So 2x plus 5. Understood the sum? Because you have to take 2 plus and 2 minus. You see, here is plus, here is plus. It is minus, it is minus. You have to take 4 terms. 2 terms are plus, 2 terms are minus, or all the terms are plus. Okay. All the terms are plus, or 2 terms are plus, 2 terms are minus. Okay. And last time I wrote that is 10x plus 3x. There 6x that was plus, 10x was plus, 3x was plus, only 5 was minus. That was the sum was wrong. Okay. So you have to take all the terms in plus, or 2 terms are plus and 2 terms are minus. Mind it always. Okay. So now what is common? 2x plus 5 is common. So you will write here 3x minus 1. Understood the sum? So we'll go to the next sum, that is question number 9. Here is common is x. So first just put out the bracket. So 12x square plus 7x minus 10. So here is 1 minus here. So you have to take 2 plus and 2 minus. So 12 tens are 120. You have to take 7. So 12 tens are 120. So factorize 120. So 2 that is 60. 2 that is 30. 2 that is 15. Okay. I will not factorize again because I just took out the answer. Because 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So 15 minus 8 is 7. Okay. So 12x square plus 15x minus 8x minus 10. Understood the sum? See, here is 12x square is plus, 15x is plus, 8x is minus, 10 is minus. Understood? So you take it 3x in common. 3x. So here is 4x plus 5. Here is minus 2 is common. So minus 2. That is 4x plus 5. Understood? So now 4x and 4x plus 5 is common. So write it here 4x plus 5. That is, here is 3x minus 2. Yes? Understood sum? This is called middle term factor. Now I will go to the 10th sum. So please like my video and share to your friends and subscribe my channel and comment me through your comment box. The next class will be of class 10. Because ICSE and CBSE, that is board exams, are knocking at the door. I don't know in the pandemic situation what will be the actual examination for them. No. You are lucky enough because you're in the next batch. It is in class 9. This next batch. Okay. So x plus 4 whole square minus 5xy minus 20y minus 6y square. So how is it possible to factorize in the middle term factor? Let's see. X plus 4 whole square minus 5y is common. So x plus 4. If 5y is common, here is x minus minus, that is plus. So here is 5. If I take 5y, there is plus 4. So x plus 4, x plus 4 minus 6y square. Okay. Then x plus 4, let x plus 4 equals to p. P, q, whatever you take. So what I will write here? That is p square minus 5yp minus 6y square. So middle term factor is 5yp or py, you can write alphabetically. So here is 5 and here is 6. Here is nothing, that is 1. So you have to factorize 6. So 6 equals to 6 multiplied by 1 and 6 minus 1 equals to 5. You can take it. And 6 equals to 3 multiplied by 2. So 3 plus 2 equals to 5. So both are 5. What should I do? Okay. Let's think. P square minus 6py plus py minus 6y square. You can take it because 1 plus 2 plus 1 minus, second one is minus. 2 plus 2 minus. So you will take it. Okay. So p is common. So p minus 6y plus y is common. So p minus 6y. Understood? Sum अभी भी खत्म नहीं हुआ. So you have to take it. Now p minus 6y is common. First write it here and here is p plus y. अभी भी पिक्चर बाकी है दोस्त. क्यों? हम लोग तो p तो x plus 4 को तो p लिया था. वो तो सब्स्टिट्यूट करना चाहिए मुझे. तो करे पहले. कहाँ करे इधर करे. So चलिए इधर ऊपर. So p मतलब x plus 4. That is x plus 4 plus 6y. Okay. No, sorry, minus 6y. And multiplied by x plus 4 plus 6y. Now the sum is ready for you. Okay. Understood the sum? If you have to take a substitute, that is let x plus 4 equals to p. So you have to substitute the value at last. Okay. You can not write p as the answer. You have to write the value x plus 4 and substitute the p. So please observe the sum. I'll go to the next sum. So children, we'll come to the 11th sum. That is the sum of cube. These are the last sum, concluding sums for today. Okay? छुटकारा मिल गया? नहीं, आप तो ये सीखिए, उसके बाद छुटकारा मिलेगा, है ना? इतना भी बोरिंग क्लास नहीं है ना? Okay, so number 11, 7a cube plus 56b cube. So I'm not writing the question. Take 7 in common. So 7 a cube plus 8b cube, because 56 7 8 are 56. So now a cube plus b cube. What is the formula of a cube plus b cube? Formula of a cube plus b cube equals to a plus b multiplied by a square minus ab plus b square. Okay. So put it here also, the formula. So 7 a plus b, sorry. Okay. So a cube plus 2b whole cube. Okay. A cube plus 2b whole cube. That is so write it here, a plus b, that is a plus 2b multiplied by a square minus ab. So a multiplied by 2b plus b square, that is plus 2b whole square. Okay, so ink is not there, I think. So 7. So a plus 2b multiplied by a square minus 2ab plus 4b square. Understood the sum? That is a cube plus b cube. Formula of a cube plus b cube. Okay. Then I will come to the next sum. That is question number 12. Now it's the formula a cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cube is nothing. A minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. A minus b whole cube. A cube. No ink is there. A cube minus b cube equals to a minus b multiplied by a square plus ab plus b square. Okay. So I'll put the formula here. Question number 12. Question number 12. That is a cube minus b cube. Take it in common. That is minus 1. So a minus b. Because it is a cube minus b cube and it's also a minus b. Because if I take 1 is common here, so here is a minus b whole cube, so here is a minus b also. Okay. That is a cube minus b cube is a minus b multiplied by a square plus ab plus b square. Okay. Minus 1 a minus b. So here is a minus b and there is also a minus b. So a minus b is common. So a minus b is common. So you put it here, a square plus ab plus b square and minus 1. Understood? This is the factorization of cube. Okay. Next, number 13. So here is number 13. Solve it. So that is x cube plus 6x square plus 12x plus 16. So क्या किया जाए? 1 2 3 4. मैम ये तो हम लोग मिडिल टर्म फैक्टर कर सकते हैं. नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि ये एक्स क्यूब है, ये स्क्वायर है, ये एक्स है, ये कांस्टेंट टर्म है. नहीं कर सकते मिडिल टर्म फैक्टर. Okay, no common is there. So I'll take x cube plus 6x square. Okay, don't put it bracket here. X cube plus 6x square plus 12x plus 8 plus 8. Why plus 8? Because 8 is 2 cube and here is 8 is 2 cube. Okay, let's think क्या किया जाए. So a plus b whole cube, you know, a plus b whole cube, a plus b whole cube equals to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. I'll take it here. Okay, so x cube plus 3a square b. ये b क्या होता है? 2 होता है क्योंकि ये हमें 8 है तो मतलब ये 2 क्यूब. 8 मतलब 2 क्यूब. तो ये होता है a, ये होता है b. सो ये होता है a क्यूब, ये b क्यूब. मतलब अब 3a स्क्वायर b चाहिए तो 3 मल्टीप्लाइड बाई एक्स स्क्वायर मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 2. देखिए 6x स्क्वायर हो गया. नाउ 12x. सो 3ab स्क्वायर. सो प्लस 3 multiplied by x multiplied by 2 square. Okay, so 2 square means 4. 4 is 12. 12x. Satisfied? Plus 8, that is 2 square. 2 cube. Now plus again 2 cube. So put it bracket here. Okay, so here it is x plus 2 whole cube minus 2 क्यूब. सॉरी प्लस 2 क्यूब. देखिए ये हो गया x प्लस 2 होल क्यूब और ये हो गया 2 क्यूब. मतलब a क्यूब प्लस b क्यूब. ये सब खत्म नहीं हुआ, पिक्चर अभी बाकी है. a होता है a क्यूब, ये होता है प्लस b क्यूब. ओके, सो नाउ यू विल टेक अगेन a क्यूब प्लस b क्यूब फॉर्मूला. सो व्हाट यू विल राइट? You will write here a cube plus b cube. So a cube plus b cube is a plus b multiplied by a square minus ab plus b square. So what we will write here? So a cube plus b cube, that is no ink is there, I think. So x plus 2 whole cube. So a cube plus b cube. So a plus b, that is x plus 2 plus 2. A plus b multiplied by a square, that is x plus 2 whole square, minus ab minus x plus 2 multiplied by 2 plus b square, that is 2 square. थोड़ा लेंदी है सम. So x plus 2 plus 2, that is x plus 4. Now here is x plus 2 whole square. X square plus 2 into x into 2. So 4x plus 4. Now here 2 multiplied by x, that is minus 2x. Minus 2 multiplied by 2, that is minus 4 plus 4. Okay. So minus 4 plus 4. Cut. So x plus 4 multiplied by x square plus 4x minus 2x. So plus 2x plus 4. This is the sum. First you have to solve the a plus b whole cube. Then ये a cube plus b cube. Okay. थोड़ा टफ सम था ये आप लोग के लिए. अच्छी तरह से समझे. ना समझ में आए तो नेक्स्ट क्लास में मुझे बताइए, मैं फिर से समझा दूंगी. एक बार नहीं, 5 times. Okay. Next, come to the next sum, that is 14th sum. सम फटाफट मिल जाता है तो अच्छा आंसर ठीक से निकलता है तो आप लोग को इंथू होता है ना, फिर से और थोड़ा सम करे. और थोड़ा गलत हो गया तो मम्मी मुझे और नहीं करना चाहिए, गलत हो रहा है, ऐसा मत सोचिए. डोंट गिव अप. करते रहिए, प्रैक्टिस करते रहिए, अच्छी तरह से सीख जाएंगे. ओके. सो नंबर 14 सम, दैट इज a cube minus 1 by a cube minus 2a plus 2 by a. What to do? Very easy sum this is. That is, you take it a cube minus 1 by a cube in one bracket. Minus 2 is common here. So a minus 1 by a. I have interchanged the sign because here is minus. I take it minus as common. So here is minus. Minus minus, that is plus. So a cube minus 1 by a cube, that is a cube minus b cube. So a minus b, a square plus ab. A minus a multiplied by 1 by a plus 1 by a square. Okay. So a minus 1 by a square plus a multiplied by 1 by a, that is a cut gaya. So plus 1 by a square minus 2. A minus 1 by a. Okay. So here is a minus 1 by a, here is a minus 1 by a. So a minus 1 by a is common. So लिखते हैं हम लोग common. एकदम इजी सम. थोड़ा प्रैक्टिस कीजिए. देखने को थोड़ा टफ लग रहा है क्योंकि सीख रहे हैं तो इसलिए. So a minus 1 by a is common. So write it here, a square plus 1, because a कट गया, ये 1 रह गया, plus 1 by a square minus 2, because a is common हुआ था. Okay. लेकिन अभी भी सम खत्म नहीं हुआ, थोड़ा सा बाकी है. क्या है? a minus 1 by a. Now a square plus 1 minus 2, so minus 1 plus 1 by a square. Understood? Here is plus 1, here is minus 1, minus 2. So plus 1 minus 2 is minus 1. अभी complete. And this is a छोटा सा समिल्ला सम बाकी है. ठीक है, ये होने के बाद क्लास कंप्लीट करूंगा. समझ में ना आए तो मुझे जरूर कमेंट कीजिएगा, तो मुझे पता चले आप लोग को क्या प्रॉब्लम होता है. मैं जरूर आप लोग को सिखा दूंगी नेक्स्ट क्लास में. So please comment me through your comment box, so I can teach you by my heart. उधर पर रहे क्वेश्चन नंबर 15, उसको लेके चले आए. सो एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 8x, इसको क्या किया जाए? एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 8x. एक काम करें, इसको क्या करते हैं, ना 1/x कॉमन लेते हैं। कैसे हो पाएगा 1/x कॉमन? सो बीच में आप एक ब्रैकेट में लिखिए x³ माइनस 8। कैसे? देखिए ये है x³ 1/x मल्टीप्लाइड बाई x³। तो x कटिए क्या होता है x², वो देखिए x²। अब देखिए 1/x मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 8, सो मतलब 8/x ही हुआ ना। तो सॉरी 1/8x दैट इज ये 8 हुआ ना, इसको करें तो ये 8x, तो x काट सॉरी x काट दिया तो ये क्या होगा 8 ही हो गया ना, तो ये 8 हो गया। समझ में आया? इसलिए हम लोग क्या किया है, इसको क्यूब में ले जाने के लिए हम लोग 1/x कॉमन लिया है। ठीक है, 1/x नहीं था, लेकिन इसको कॉमन करके हम लोग क्या किया, उसको a³ माइनस b³ में हम लोग सजा लिए हैं। ओके, सो नाउ 1/x इज कॉमन, सो पुट इट सेकंड ब्रैकेट x³ minus 2³ we can write it to 8 as 2³. So now children, it's a formula that is a³ minus b³. So what is the formula here? a³ minus b³. So a minus b multiplied by a square plus ab, that is x multiplied by 2 plus 2 square. Okay, so 1/x so 1/x multiplied by x minus 2 multiplied by x square plus 2x plus 4। तो देख लीजिए सम आप लोग को सही तरह से समझ में ना आए या नहीं, क्योंकि ये x² माइनस 8x, तो इसको 1/x कॉमन लिया है बोल के हम लोग यहाँ में x³ लिखे, क्योंकि ये x और x³ कट के x² ही होता है। ओके, और 1/x एंड 8x ये कट के ये 8 ही होता है। ठीक है, इसलिए हम लोग 1/x कॉमन लिया है, इसको a³ माइनस b³ में सजाने के लिए a कॉमन लिया है। ठीक है, तो 1/x अब हो गया x³ माइनस 2³ सो x माइनस 2 a³ माइनस b³ फॉर्मूला इज a माइनस b मल्टीप्लाइड बाय a स्क्वायर प्लस ab प्लस b स्क्वायर। सो a माइनस b दैट इज x माइनस 2 a स्क्वायर प्लस ab दैट इज x into 2 plus 2 square that is b square. So x minus 2 x square plus 2x plus 4. So जाते जाते मुझे क्या बोलना चाहिए? Please like my video and subscribe. Share to your friends first, then subscribe my channel. Then subscribe my channel, pressing the bell icon, and please comment me through your comment box. क्या मैं आप लोगों को बार-बार कह रही हूँ, आप लोगों को अच्छी तरह से मैं सम सिखा सकती हूँ। ठीक है, तो ये 15 सम्स ये आपके लिए है फैक्टराइजेशन। सो पहले दिन जो सिखा चुकी हो वो था वो भी फैक्टराइजेशन का था। अब ये जो है ये कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ, फैक्टराइजेशन में बहुत सारे सम्स होते हैं, लेकिन इतना सम सिखाना तो पॉसिबल नहीं है ना। सो प्लीज आप लोग कमेंट करें तो मैं अच्छी तरह से नेक्स्ट डे में सिखा दूंगी जो सम आपको टफ लगे। ओके, सो प्लीज प्रैक्टिस एट होम एंड प्लीज कंसंट्रेट योर स्टडीज। हम लोग को हमेशा पढ़ना नहीं है, पूरा दिन भर के आप लोग को पढ़ना नहीं है। पढ़ने का टाइम पढ़िए, खेलने का टाइम खेलिए। तो जिस टाइम पढ़िएगा प्लीज कंसंट्रेट इन योर स्टडीज। सो आपको मार्क्स जरूर अच्छा ऑब्टेन गुड मार्क्स, यू विल ऑब्टेन गुड मार्क्स इन द एग्जाम। तो प्लीज डोंट वरी। जाते जाते मैं फिर से कह रही हूँ, मैं अच्छी तरह से सीखिए कि आप लोग को अच्छा मार्क्स मिले, तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगेगा। सो बाय, I will join to the next class.